how you can make $3,000 to $7,000 in per week with TikTok affiliate marketing using ClickBank and other affiliate networks as your main promos. So let me go straight and show you exactly step by step how you can replicate, copy and paste the same methods. As you can see over here, right? Those are the results you are getting. Now, let me show you what is the traffic source. Over here we have TikTok, as you can see over here, right? So our main traffic is coming from TikTok. So why TikTok? As you will see later, it's a huge traffic source. It's really big market potential if you know what you're doing. In 2025, right now it's December, right? And soon it's going to be January. Now you know that people are in the right buying mode, right? So people are using credit cards, debit cards to buy things online more than ever. So as you can see over here, right? In the last, let me show you over here, last 28 days, I had 1.3 million video views. I'm using paid and organic traffic. Now the most important thing here is likes and comments. Why? Because in 2025, if you want to be compliant, if you want to avoid getting your ad account shut down, you have to understand, if you're promoting Nutra, weight loss, solar panel, whatever on TikTok, right, as a traffic source, as an affiliate, without showing your face, you have to understand you need positive engagement. Why? Because algorithm will favor you. You can see, if people like your ads, if content is engaging, you will get shares, comments. And this means positive engagement. So every other marketer on ClickBank is teaching you, go after sale immediately. No, I'm showing you how to do it correctly if you want to make a lot of money in 2025. You see, you have first of all engagement ads, positive engagement. And after that, do you think that people who are most likely to engage with your content first will have a trust factor and like factor much more higher to buy than after you promote your affiliate links from ClickBank? Of course, yes, right? You will do it as well. So what it actually matters with TikTok and why it's Wild West? It seemed like Facebook in 2013. Not much rules, not much regulations. On Facebook, on YouTube, you know, if you say some things about weight loss, diabetes, you can easily get your ad account shut down. And you don't want to deal with that stress, right? That it's unneeded if you have someone who can help you finally one-on-one, step-by-step, maybe over the Zoom call, right? So let me show you how this works. You can see Gary Vee, right, just mentioned that China live shopping spread also to other countries, also to USA, Canada, UK, Australia, right? So live social shopping is the new direct response marketing that is happening right now. You can see in China, $8 million in like 2 seconds. 2 seconds. This is not my words. You can go and check TikTok from Gary Vaynerchuk, right? He's very well known in China. So do you think that if you have 1,000, 2,000 views from TikTok, that you can get 1 or 3 sales a day, which would be on ClickBank like, let's say, $250 per sale, $500 per sale. So that's like $500, $700 US per day, right? You can see what is happening. Just look around you. Everyone is glued to their smartphones. So why don't you take advantage of that? You can see on subways, everywhere you go in the city, wherever you live across the world, people are buying, and e-commerce is growing, right? It's true, right? So you can see, right? 92% of TikTok users say they discovered new products on the app. So what does it tell you? It tells you that people are in the buying mode. They are in the emotional state of buying. What do I mean by that? It means like you don't have to force someone. For example, on Facebook, people still don't go there to buy from live shopping. But on TikTok it's different, right? So the psychology of people, of the market is different. They are not surprised that you sell them something on TikTok. They already want to buy. Do you understand? It's different psychological mind shift that they're in once they see your ads. All right? So you can see some of the students that are getting results with ClickBank affiliate marketing. Now, how fast you can make money? Let's say you spend $50 per day, $50 per day, and you're paying $1 per click. With TikTok, even less per views. Clicks, 50 clicks, let's say, conversion rate 5%. It means like 2 sales. You're making $250 per day profit. Now imagine in January, okay, You could already set yourself free. You could already set yourself for success, to have results. Okay? To be able to pay off the debt that you have. I don't know, go on the vacation you want to go in. Or do something for your family. Or your kids. Or your spouse. Right? So that's why, if you lock in right now as you watch this video and take advantage of this moment, alright? Because like, you know, like people did with Bitcoin or other things, like with, for example, with Facebook in 2017, it was very easy to make a lot of money. But people were waiting and procrastinating, making excuses why they cannot make it happen, right? So what we get done together, we together over the Zoom call, connect one-on-one and do it together. So you have hand holding, you have personal one-on-one support, and we get it done, right? Because remember, it's all about understanding your audience on a deeper level. So we have unaware audience, problem aware, and most aware audiences, right? So it means that if you will show one message to someone who is female or male, you need to use different ad copy, different copywriting, right? Not the same thing. And that's why you are failing. Maybe you tried other courses in the past and you failed. And the reason why is because you never heard of high emotional states audiences, low emotional states audiences, and the language patterns are very different. Now with TikTok it's much more simple and easy right now. If you remember before I told you, TikTok is Wild West, same like eBay in 2000s, eBay, Amazon, right? Facebook in 2012, 2013. So it's Wild West, no regulations. Not as much as with other platforms like YouTube and Facebook. Right? So people just like you are getting results. You can see over here, right? Why? Because we get it done together. No one is watching course for 8 weeks or 6 weeks hoping something works. It doesn't work that way in 2025. Okay? So if you want to get results, what you can do next is connect with me one-on-one. You can find me over here on my Instagram, my Facebook, my WhatsApp personal number is in the description below. So this is where you can find me, okay? This is my Instagram. You can find me here. You can connect with me. If you have any questions, if you want to really get results with affiliate marketing, with TikTok affiliate marketing, to get really, really great results and take this to the next level, right? To really move forward and start generating really great profit. So as you watch this video, if you really want to take it to the next level in 2025 and lock in the results, do let me know and connect with me one-on-one.